Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can fix the Valorant stuck on loading screen or the Valorant loading issue on the map. So I will show you guys three best solutions to fix this problem, so make sure you watch the whole video to fix this problem. So first basic step is right click on your Valorant and open its properties. Now go to the compatibility and make sure you have checked this option of disable full screen optimization, and also check this option run the program as an administrator. Click on the apply, and now after that, now you can go to the window search and type the run. Now here you can open that, and now here in the small box just type the percent and local app data percent. So when you type it, just hit the OK, and now here you have to just look for the folder name Valorant. So when you find the Valorant folder here, you need to just right click and delete the folder. So after deleting it, now here just look for the folder name Riot Games and open that, and also delete the folder Valorant. Right click and click on the delete. After that, now you can close it and right click on your Valorant game and click on the open file location. Now here click on the Riot Games you are seeing on the top. Now here open up the Valorant, go to live, and here also delete the manifest debug files and manifest non-UFS file. Right click and delete these files. So after that, now you can just close it and just restart your PC. And after the restart, if your problem is not fixed, then you can go with the next solution. Go to the Windows search, and here you can just type the run. Now here you can just type the ncpa.cpl and then just hit the OK. Now here you will see your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet. Just right click on it and go to its properties. And now here in the Wi-Fi property, just look for the Internet Protocol version 4 and go to its properties. And now here check this box or use the following DNS server. And in the preferred DNS server, just type the a.a.a.8, and then in the alternate DNS server, just type here the a.a.4.4. So this is the best Google DNS server. Click on the apply to save the changes, and then you can just restart your PC. And after this solution, if your problem is not fixed, then you can go with the next solution. Go to the Windows there, type the control panel, open that. Now here go to the uninstall a program. Now here you have to just look for the Riot Vanguard and just uninstall it from your control panel. Now here when you find the Riot Vanguard, and right click on that and click on the uninstall. After that, just click on the yes and then click on the yes again. So now you have to just again update this. To update this, open up your Valorant, and then the Valorant will again start updating and installing this Riot Vanguard into your PC. Click on the update. So after that, this update was completed. Now you have to just restart your PC, and after the restart, if your problem is fixed or not, check back. So if your problem is not fixed, then go to the Windows search again, type the graphics settings and open that. And now here you have to just click on the browse option and then just select your Valorant game. So after you select it, just click on the add, and now click on the options, and after that just click on the high performance. To select the your graphic card, click on the save. After that, just restart your PC, and after the restart, your problem is fixed. So if your problem is still not fixed, then you can comment down below. I will try my best to assist you. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, so please like it. Also do subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful day.